Let's get started. Once we open the template generator, we see that nothing has changed, so we'll just create a template as usual. I will select this layout, and instead of using the image library, I will upload my own image. And here is where I want to show you something. I have this screenshot of an image from a recent event. I think it's beautiful, and I want the template to match this style. So far, nothing has changed. I will upload this image, and I'm going to fill out the information for the monogram. So I'll enter the text I want. Just type all the text in the field. Here, I'm going to enter the branding, CreativeBooth Tools. Perfect. So far, so good. I'll click Generate and let the AI do its thing. Now, once we get our images back, notice how we have a new tool, Creative Editor. And this is where the magic happens. Let me show you why. Notice how the AI made a beautiful monogram. And although it's very pretty and in the real world we can use it, I want it to be exactly as it is on the image I have. I want the same font with the year 50 in the same size. Well, let's see. Let's open the Creative Editor and see what we have. There. Now we have the full template where we can make our changes. Notice how we have the right panel with the 24-hour history of all the AI monograms we have generated? Here, we can replace the ones we have and use one from our gallery. But that's still not what we want. The monogram that was created with the template, it's pretty and all, but it's not what I want. I want the exact same font and style and colors of the original image. To do that, all we have to do is click on Create a New Monogram. And this is where the magic happens. Now, before we continue, I have to clarify something. Unlimited users do not have anything to worry about. They can generate as much as they want without having to think about credits. But for all other users, it's important to know that this will consume 1 extra credit. Now that that's out the way, let's continue. When we click on Create a New Monogram, we have 4 options. We can generate a monogram to match this template. We can generate a monogram to match another image. We can generate from scratch by telling the AI everything about the style, the colors, etc. Or we can upload a monogram stored in our device. But the one I want to use is this one, Match Another Image. This is the one. Here, all I have to do is upload the image I already have. Remember, I want the same font with the same size. It's very similar to the tool we have in the AI Monogram tool, but here it's a bit faster because it will place it right on top of the template. So let's try that. Let's upload the original image and write all the text just the way we want it to be. I'm even going to activate the special instructions function and tell the AI, keep the same font. Do not use any other element. No shoe, no glass, only use the crown on top of the number 50. And that's all. Let's click Generate and wait. There! Once the monogram is generated, it will automatically appear on the template. Look how nice it looks. It kept the exact same font, the colors, the style. But hey, we are not done yet. Let me create some contrast by adding a bit of glow behind the monogram. I'll pick a darker color to separate the gold from the blue even more. There. Now the fine-tune function is incorporated into the Creative Editor. When we click on it, we have the fine-tuning options, including these quick settings like make the colors more vivid or cinematic. Or we can move the sliders and adjust our tones until we're ready for it. Also, this editor allows you to go back to the original monogram, or upload another one, or create a new variation, and start all over without leaving the template. Isn't that great? Now, once we are finished, we can download straight to our computers, or we can save the changes. If we don't save the changes, the template will go back to the original state with the original monogram. So I'll make sure I save it. See? Also, this Creative Editor can also be accessed from your history inside your dashboard. Let me show you. All you have to do is go to your dashboard, which shows a 24-hour history of your generations. And when you see a template that was generated with AI, you will see the option to create a monogram, which will take you to the Creative Editor.
And that's all. Now you have the perfect tool to create the perfect template with the perfect monogram. Thank you for watching.